In this problem, sometimes found in the introductory skills required for a calculus course, we've been asked to solve an equation by factoring. So, suppose we've been given the equation 15x squared minus 12 equals 8x. When our goal is factoring when we have both an x squared and a factor of x, we should try to get the equation in standard quadratic form. First, we should move the 8x on the right-hand side over to the left-hand side by adding 8x to both sides of the equation. This procedure gives us 15x squared plus 8x minus 12 equals 0. Now, with the equation in standard quadratic form, we can factor. The important key to help us factor this equation is to identify all the factors of the coefficients. 15 has the factors 1, 3, 5, and 15. 12 has the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And 8 has the factors 1, 2, 4, and 8. From here, we have to find some combination of the factors of the first and last coefficient, which combine together to make the middle coefficient of 8. Because we're creating the 8 in the middle, we can only use the factors of the 15 and the negative 12. It turns out that 3 and 5 make 15, and 2 and 6 make 10. This works because 18 minus 10 gives us the coefficient 8 in the middle that we were looking for. In the next step, I like to set up my parentheses on the left-hand side first. This is really just the reverse of the procedure we call FOIL, which we use to multiply two binomials and which stands for first, outer, inner, and last. Our first circled factors, 3x and 5x, give us the 15x squared. The last circled factors, 2 and 6, give us the 12. However, in order to decide which set of parentheses the 2 and the 6 go into, we've got to consider how to add the inner and outer factors so that we factor from both the negative 12 in the last position and the positive 8 from the inner outer or middle position. This is easily resolved if we let the 3 times 6 be positive 18 by placing an addition sign in front of the 6. This means we must then subtract 2 times 5, or 10, by placing a subtraction sign in front of the 2. Again, we factor the 8 in the middle position by subtracting the inner 10 from the outer 18. So either stuff in the left-hand parentheses, 3x minus 2 is 0, or the stuff in the right-hand parentheses, 5x plus 6 is 0. Finally, we solve for x in each case, giving us either x equals 2/3, or negative 6 bits. Remember to box or circle your answer in order to clearly show your teacher where your answer is.